Welcome to Regal Classes. In this video, this is for CBSE and NCRT. We are going to cover statistics, exercise 14.3, which is on median. So the problems are from NCRT textbook, Mathematics 1. And here the formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus CF into H divided by F, where L is the lower class limit of median class, n is the number of observations, CF stands for cumulative frequency of class preceding median class, F is the frequency of median class, and H is the class width. So let us start with the first problem. The following frequency distribution gives monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean, and mode of the data and compare them. So we have this table 65 to 8, 65, 85, 85, 105. First thing you have to make sure that this is continuous class. So here we have a continuous class 65, 85, then 85, 105. So all the classes are continuous in nature. Here you are given number of consumers. First calculate cumulative frequency. How do you calculate that? It's put F4 is equal to 4. The first one, second row, you add this 4 with 5 and put that in the cumulative frequency 9. Then you add 9 with 13, that becomes 22. 22 with 20, it becomes 42. 42 plus 14 becomes 56. 56 plus 8 is equal to 64. And 64 plus 4 is equal to 68. So 68 is the total number of consumers, and this should match with what is given as the total 68 consumers. Otherwise, you need to recheck your cumulative frequency calculation. XI stands for class mark, which is from 65 to 85. The middle, that is 65 plus 85 by 2 is 75. Then you can see the class width is 105 minus 85. And it is 20, so you keep adding 20, 95, 115, 135, 155, 175, 195. Cross check again. Now we calculate UI, which is a step deviation method of calculating mean. Xi minus A divided by H. A is 135. We take in such a way that we are somewhere in the middle, and where the frequencies are large, they are multiplied by small number. So we calculate UI, Xi minus H, which has been explained also in the video of mean. And here H we have taken as 20 as the class width. So we get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 as UI. Multiply UI with Fi and not CF, Fi. So you multiply and you get UI into Fi. Take the summation of UI and Fi. Summation is 7, so 7 divided by 68 is the mean of U. What we need is the mean of X. Mean of X is equal to A plus mean of U into H, 135 plus 0.1029 into 20. Calculate and you get 137.0588 or 137.05. Now calculating median, n is equal to 68. So divide n by 2, 34. Median class is 125 to 145. How do you decide median class? Now see the cumulative frequency. Now our number n by 2 is 34. It is more than 22. You must see in the cumulative frequency table, it is more than 22 but less than 42. So our median class is 125 to 145. Now it's a very simple calculation. Use formula median L plus n by 2 minus EF multiplied by H divided by F. Now let us see 125 is L, plus 34 minus 22. 34 is the n by 2 value. 22 is cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So now we have median class, preceding class cumulative frequency is 22. H class width 20 and divide by the frequency of the median class. Frequency of median class here is 20. So now you calculate and you get 137. Now mode class is again same 125, 45, 145 because it's 42. Because of 20, sorry, 20 is the highest frequency. So we take that as the mode class. Now formula is known to you, you have done in the earlier exercise. So here L is 125, F1 frequency is 20 of the mode class minus F0 is of the previous class, which is 13, multiplied by class width H 20, then 2 times F1. So 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14, because 14 is the frequency of succeeding class. So multiply and you get 135.77. So this is how you calculate mean, median and mode. Now in this problem or in this distribution, they are almost similar. Second problem, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y, and total frequency is given as 60. So prepare the table as given there. Calculate cumulative frequency 5 plus x, then 25 plus x, add 15, 40 plus x, add y. So 40 plus x plus y, 5 is 45 plus x plus y. Now n is 60. Now here by calculating, adding all the frequencies, the value is 45 plus x plus y. So 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. X plus y is 15. Now n by 2, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now let us see where is the median class. Cumulative frequency, look at it, 25 plus x. We assume that that could be probably the median class, because that may exceed 30. So with that assumption, we take that median class and calculate median and equate that to 28.5. So 0.5x is equal to 32.5 minus 28.5, x is equal to 8. Place x in this equation 1 and you get y. Y is equal to 7. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. It's given age is given below 20. What it means, it's between 18 and 20 is 2. Below 25 is 6. That means it covers everything from 18 to 25. Below 30 means it covers all the numbers between 18 and 30. So now we need to prepare the class. So this is basically, so we prepare the class below 20, so 18 to 20, the frequency is 2. Number of policyholders, it says 2. Below 25, 4 policyholders. It covers also 20, 18, 20, 21, 22, all that it covers. So in order to calculate the frequency, we have to subtract 2, 4 minus 2, so it becomes 2. That class frequency is 2. Reverse, we are going now reverse. From cumulative frequency, we are calculating the frequency. So below 30 is between 25 to 30 is 24. So 24 minus 4. 4 is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So you subtract, you get frequency of the current class 20. Below 35 is 30 to 35. What is given is below 35, 45 policyholders are there. This means all, including 18 to 20, 18 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35. Includes everything. But now we have to calculate frequency for only that class, that is 30 to 35. So we subtract 45 minus 24, 21 becomes the frequency. Repeat this and you get the full table. How to calculate median? Now n is equal to 100. So divide by 2. You have 50. Median class is 35 to 40. How to see that? See in the cumulative frequency, we have 45 is 30 to 35 and 78 is 35 to 40. So 78 is the frequency. So we are at, sorry, we should see the frequency table. Now we are at 50. Cumulative frequency only. We should see the cumulative frequency table at 78. 50 is less than 78, so we take that as our median class. Now calculate the median. 35 is L, n by 2 is 50, 45 is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class multiplied by width and divided by the frequency of the current class, which is 33. Calculate these numbers and you are at the answer. It's very similar, but very important point here, hint is given. You have to convert this class into continuous class. So that is what is done here. 117.5 to 126.5. So we have converted the data into continuous class. Number of leaves is the frequency. Calculate cumulative frequency. Same method. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17, 12, 29. 29, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. And 38 plus 2 is 50. So n is equal to 40, n by 2, 20. Now we have to get median class. Look at cumulative frequency. 17 is less than 20, but 29 is more than 20. So our cumulative frequency is 144.5 to 153.5 is the median class. Is the median class. So median you calculate using the formula, and very simple. After you identify median class, it's very simple. You have to just substitute the values and get the answer. This problem is very similar to that. Same method, calculate cumulative frequency, identify median class, and then substitute the numbers and put the numbers in the formula. In this case, determine the median number of letters in surnames, find the mean number of letters in surnames. So number of letters is given, it's a continuous class, so no problem, number of surnames. Now we need to calculate mean also, so that is why we have calculated here UI. Cumulative frequency table is there, which is calculated from the frequency table. So mean calculation you know very well. Calculate U bar. U bar is from UI, FI, sum of that. Then calculate X bar. A plus U bar X into H, U into H. into sign it is 8.5, and then calculate median. For median, n is equal to 100. 100 by 2 is 50. So look in the cumulative table, where is it? Okay, 36 is less than 50, 76 is more than 50. So 7 to 10 is the median class. Put the values and you get median as 8.05. Now mode. Look for mode class. Mode class with the highest frequency is 40. 40 is the mode class. So 7 to 10 is the mode class. Substitute the values. L is equal to 7. 40 is F1 minus previous preceding class 30 multiplied by 3 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus 16, and you get 7.88 as the mode. So practice this formula again and you will be able to calculate mean, median and mode for any distribution that is given to you. Seventh is again similar. Go through it. So our next video will be on 14.4 exercise. Subscribe to this video so that you can get intimation for all our new videos and all our lectures.